What if I tell you, you can enjoy your favorite Nutella bread as an evening snack and still lose weight? By the end of video, I promise you guys, you will have 5 healthy, cheap and no cooking snacks added to your favorite snack list. Everyone, Javneet here from KaurFitness, and I lost 25 kgs in less than 7 months, and only channel on the YouTube which will never ask you to give up any of your favorite food to lose weight. That means I can enjoy Maggi and chips and still lose weight? To find answer to this question, you need to watch this video till end. So if you love to eat and want to start your fitness journey, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss any chance to lose weight. In this video, we will focus on 3 important aspects when it comes to our favorite meal of the day, snacks.
Snacks.
First and foremost, it should be healthy. We want guilt-free snack and should give us our daily dose of nutrients. Second, it should be cheap. We want our health journey to be less burden on our bank balance. Third, no cooking, fast. We want our snacks to be grand go type, no cooking involved at all. If you like snacks, like this video and comment down right now and tell me which is your favorite snack. Let us all be honest with ourselves. How many times during our fitness journey we go to Google or Amazon and look for healthy, cheap, no cooking snacks?
I'm gonna lose weight and eat all clean and healthy snacks.
Seeing the price of healthy snacks, I feel like I should sell my another kidney, since first kidney is already reserved for iPhone 12. But seriously, are you guys thinking of buying iPhone 12? Let me know in comment section down below. Average snack on Amazon costs $20 to $30 just because they are termed as healthy, earthy or organic. That doesn't mean whatever is termed as healthy is healthy. Even if they are healthy, we don't have to lose money in order to lose weight. So here are 5 healthy, cheap and no cooking snacks idea which are very inexpensive, very healthy and doesn't require any cooking at all, and you can get them at your nearest grocery store. My number 1 snack idea is hummus. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip and it comes in a variety of flavor. It's made from chickpeas, and as you know, chickpeas are high source of protein. Some benefits of hummus are they are high plant-based protein, they promote weight loss and high in fiber. You can enjoy hummus with lot of vegetables, carrots, cucumbers and celery. They are packed with nutrients and very inexpensive snack idea. You can get them from any grocery store for around $2 to $3. Fun fact about celery. Ajwain, which is used in lot of Indian cooking to enhance flavor and is also good for digestion, is actually derived from celery. Celery is plant and ajwain is seed. Just like dhania seeds is derived from dhania plant. But seriously, who likes celery? If you are one of the great people who likes celery, let me know in comment section and you will get shout out in my next video. Number 2 snack is yogurt with berries, nuts, fruits, etc. Yogurt is the wonderful source of probiotic, and if you are looking to shed that extra weight, yogurt is your thing. Benefit of yogurts include it helps to improve your gut health, it also promotes weight loss, and it also helps to increase bone density. But eating plain yogurt can be little boring and you don't have to buy flavored yogurt from market. Always remember that. So if you like savory, just add some pepper, some salt, some flaxseed powder and you are good to go. If you like sweet yogurt, add some berries, fruits, jaggery powder, honey and flaxseed powder and your favorite snack would be ready. Always remember, you have to use flaxseed powder and not whole flaxseed. Whole flax seeds doesn't process properly in the body and you will not get its benefits. So always remember to have flaxseed powder and you can enjoy all the fiber in your diet. My number 3rd snack is rice chips. Rice chips are my favorite grab and go type of snack. I not only like rice chips as it is, but I also like to have it with hummus or other dips, and even with cheese. They are so yummy. If you like a potato chips in flavor of sour onion or barbecue, you must try these rice chips. They are much healthier than regular potato chips. It contains only 90 calories in 12 chips and only 1 gram of sugar in 12 chips. And also they are made from brown rice rather than white rice, so they are very healthy, and plus they are also rich in carbohydrates. Are you still scared of carbohydrates? If you are on weight loss, you can have carbohydrates. If you haven't watched this video, you need to watch this video after this video, and you will never be scared of carbohydrates again. So now to answer your question, can you have Maggi, chips and other snacks which you have been eating for almost all your life and when you are on weight loss journey? So my answer would be very simple. It depends upon you. I'm not being diplomatic here, but actually it depends upon you. If you can give up Maggi, chips or all other snacks which you like completely forever, then I would say go ahead. They are unhealthy. And if you can give up, it's good. But if you can't, then you have to keep in mind moderation is key. So when you are on weight loss journey, whether you are having healthy snack or unhealthy snack, I would say you to always remember that moderation is key. That means if you want to have Maggi, instead of having Maggi every day or every week, just have Maggi maybe once or twice in a month. And if you have 2 packets of Maggi, just have 1 packet of Maggi and add lots of vegetables to it, so that you have vegetables as well as Maggi in your diet. Having said that, when I'm saying about healthy snacks in this video, I want you guys to remember that even healthy means you have to keep calories in count when you are on weight loss. If you are even having the healthiest snacks on the earth, which are nuts like almonds, cashew nuts, you still have to take a good look at how many you are taking. Healthy doesn't mean that you can have as many as you want, because they are also very high in calories. But we as human beings, we like our food, so moderation is key whether you are having healthy snacks or unhealthy snacks. I hope I answered all your questions, but if you still have more questions, please tell me in comment section and I would be happy to answer all those questions. Even you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram and ping me there, and you can ask me as many as questions regarding what you should eat during weight loss or what should not be. I would be very happy to help you guys. My number 4 snack is rice cakes. Rice cakes are so versatile. You can even have them instead of buns in your burger. You just take 2 rice cakes, add some egg or tikki, add some leaves like spinach or lettuce, add some onion and tomato or hummus and other dip, and your burger without bun is ready. You can even have them with peanut butter. Spread some peanut butter. Peanut butter is good source of protein. You can even have them with salsa. I love salsa. Salsa is a very low calorie snack. These rice cakes contain only 35 calories in 1 bun. You would be very shocked to see only ingredients in these are whole grain brown rice. The snack you all are waiting for, Nutella with bread. Is it possible that we are on weight loss and still enjoy that chocolate spread on bread and even for our breakfast? Yes, it is possible, because we're gonna make same chocolate spread but healthier version right now. Making healthy chocolate spread, you need unsweetened cocoa powder. I would highly suggest you to buy good quality unsweetened cocoa powder. It will really enhance the taste. Then for sweetness, we need honey or jaggery powder. I have jaggery, so I'm using jaggery. And we need some milk. If you don't want to use milk, you can even have water with it. The recipe is very simple and very healthy, and it would taste like Nutella. And if you also want to use hazelnut extract. You can even add hazelnut extract, or even you can buy fresh hazelnut, form their powder and mix with it. I wasn't having it, so I'm not using it, but if you have, it will exactly taste like Nutella. Even without hazelnut, it will taste delicious. So what we have to do is, we will take some cocoa powder, put in a bowl, add our jaggery or honey, whatever you like, and you can add more or less according to what you want. Add some milk. Just make sure add milk slowly. We want a thick paste, not runny. And we will mix. So after mixing for like 5 minutes, your chocolate spread will look something like this. Just make sure guys to put milk very little or water very little, and don't put all at the same time. Put a little by little, and you can spread on whole wheat bread and it will just taste like Nutella bread. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and share with your friends and family, because sharing is caring. Bye bye.